This Berkshire Hathaway Home Services Towne Realty property video is presented by Terry Smith. Come see this beautiful home. On the community pond, walking trails, well-maintained home move-in ready. First floor features an open floor plan with family/living area. Open dining area and kitchen with bar and pantry. Bonus room downstairs for home office. Nice patio area with storage shed. Spacious bedrooms upstairs with walk-in closets. 9-foot ceilings throughout. Great location in the heart of Greenbrier near shopping areas, parks and interstate access. Monthly condo fee covers water, sewer, trash pickup, grounds maintenance and pool maintenance. Come see this today. For more information, review the details below.